broadly under the following headings: head protection, hearing protection, eye and face protection, respiratory protection, hand and arm protection, foot and leg protection, skin protection, trunk and abdomen protection, and finally, whole body protection. Here are just some examples: reflective clothing, protective aprons and waistcoats, body belts, safety harnesses, instep protectors, knee pads, oversleeves, specialized goggles, barrier creams, sunscreens, and so on. In this program, we're going to examine personal protective equipment by looking at the 5 major groups involved.
Alarming amount of workplace eye injuries that occur in the U.S. each and every day. Safety eyewear protects your employees, enables your business to be compliant with OSHA and ANSI regulations, and reduces your overall liability.
To prevent employee eye exposure by requiring all workers and projects to enforce eye protection use. Impact-resistant safety glasses with side shields. Prescription lens safety glasses with side shields. Vented safety goggles. Non-vented safety goggles.
We often take for granted the precious organs that provide one of our most important senses, our eyes. And on a work site, there are many hazards that can severely damage or injure your eyes, possibly resulting in the loss of an eye or permanent blindness.
A hazard assessment helps to identify the additional type of eye protection that may be required.
To be effective, eye protection must be properly selected and fitted. Regular prescription glasses are not enough protection on a work site. You must wear properly designed safety glasses over them. As an alternative, prescription lens inserts are available. Ask your supervisor. Safety eyewear must meet the CSA Z87.1 standard for impact resistance. All safety eyewear must be marked with the identification symbol. Safety eyewear must have side protection. The use of contact lenses is not recommended. Check with your supervisor.
Choose appropriate lenses as needed for your job task. As a rule, dark lenses are not appropriate for inside work. Different types of goggles may be necessary depending on the hazards.
When completing your hazard assessment, depending on the hazards involved, you may be required to wear a face shield in addition to your safety eyewear. Face shields provide extra protection from flying particles and sprays of hazardous liquids to the eyes, forehead, cheeks, nose, mouth, and chin, and where required, to the front of the neck. Ensure you attach and remove your face shield properly from your hard hat. Be sure it fits. Choose appropriate protective eyewear that fits firmly but not tightly, and that sits as close to the eyes as possible without the eyelashes hitting the lenses. A good rule of thumb is that it should be difficult to stick your finger in between your face and the glasses. Also, some safety glasses have adjustable arms. Always make the adjustments to ensure a proper fit. Maintain it properly. Check equipment before each use. Clean dirty lenses and frames. Repair or replace lenses that are scratched, cracked, pitted, faded, etc. Store equipment in a safe place to prevent damage. Do not alter or modify equipment. Wear it. The best safety equipment in the world is no good unless you use it.
Remember, it only takes a single act of carelessness to destroy your eyes forever. That is too great a risk to take with something as precious as your sight.